Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm happy you are here today. Today I will have another unboxing, one of the hot items to get from Louis Vuitton. I could score this bag from Louis Vuitton website and I'm very excited because I haven't seen it in person, so let's get into it. This is the real unboxing, so very excited. This is how it's shipped to my house. Louis Vuitton. Orange box. This time they don't have blue ribbon. And you can see here the receipt, and it's gonna be return label in here. I'm gonna open that later. It has magnetic closure. And see, you don't really see Louis Vuitton in the dust bag here. Right here. There's Louis Vuitton dust bag. I haven't seen it in person, so I don't know how it's gonna look on me. I love this bag on other people and its functionality. So let's open it. Okay. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It is so cute. Wow. Oh, it is so tiny. You see how it is on my hand? Now let's take a look at the bag. This is Louis Vuitton Palm Springs mini backpack. You probably already seen on a lot of YouTube channels, but everyone has different experience, so I'm gonna share mine with yours. It looks very structured. It's tiny and very cute. It has treated leather handle and gold hardware. It has scar loops. So I'm gonna put the trolley or something here to decorate the bag. I heard people complain about this part right here, that they cannot put anything in it. Yeah, and it is very tight right here. I forgot to mention that this bag is updated version, so it has a more exposed zipper. So a lot of people complain about the zipper part right here because of the trimming right here, but this one is very smooth. Wow. So this is good. Let's see inside. Okay, it has everything inside. The booklet, the coat, and it said here coated fabric exterior, textile lining, calfskin trimming, and it has it has two detachable straps, so these are all separated. I'm gonna try to put it together. Let's see. It has textile lining inside, very dark. I don't know if you can see what it has in there. Louis Vuitton Paris. It has one slip pocket, and it has the tab on the side here. I don't know if you can see. It said made in USA. This bag is made in USA. This side has the date code when it's made. The back has padded material, so it's going to be soft on your back. When I was in school, I love backpack, so that's why I decided to go with this one, because it's not as big as the school backpack, but it's still in the backpack style. So it's very stylish and also very sporty at the same time. If I want to have hands-free when I travel, which I do a lot, then I'm gonna use this as a crossbody bag or a backpack. But let's see, I'm gonna put the strap on and see how it looks on my body frame. I'm 5'1", so I heard a lot of people said the strap is long, so I don't know how it looks on me. You look close on the side, in the front, and this is the handle. In the bottom, it doesn't have fit in the bottom, but that's fine because this is tiny. You can put it on the table, and or you just wear it as a backpack or crossbody anywhere you go. Yeah, so I love the shape so far. I wish this bag could be made in France, but since it's so hard to get, and even if it's made in USA, as long as it looks good, no defect, then I'm fine with it. I'm gonna take a closer look later on. This is better for everyday use or for traveling because it's tiny, and I think it's gonna hold just enough the essentials that everyone would need for going out. There are a lot of videos on YouTube that telling you how to score a hard to get items on the website. Yes, and I just did the same thing. As I mentioned in previous videos, because of the quarantine, Louis Vuitton restocked more of their products on their website. If you are patient enough, keep restocking the website, maybe refreshing few times a day at certain time, then you could be able to get the items that you want. I could get most of the hard to get items from the website for the past few months, so I usually check it early in the morning around 4 or 5, and then sometimes late at night like 12:30 or 1. That is about the time that I could get most of my items. So I hope that you can get the items that you want. Try to create an account, put your information in there, and then use PayPal or add your credit cards in just to be ready before you could add to cart something, because most of the hard to get items are available, and if you see add to cart, you have to add to your cart right away. It happened a few times with me. After I add the items to the cart, the first time I couldn't proceed because I didn't add my credit card information in. So I was looking for the credit card, and by the time I found the credit card, the item is gone. Probably someone already scored it a few minutes before me. So after that, I learned my lesson. I added the credit card into my account, then add to the cart and proceed quickly to the payment. But since you have to do it so quick, you miss out on the gift option. I think that's what it's called. There's a box that you can check if this item is gifted. So if you had the box checked, then they will wrap the box with the blue ribbon with the blank card or the personal message card or the card with your personal message. But because every time I try to proceed to the payment as quick as I can, I didn't have time to check the box, and most of my items are shipped without the blue ribbons. Once in a while I got the blue ribbons. Every time it's different, but that's what I think why they don't have the wrapping, because the gift option not checked. At first I thought of this one as a trendy bag, so I didn't even think about it. But as I saw more and more on YouTube, I'm just liking it more. And especially after the updated version, I just appreciated my patience because I could wait a little longer to get the newer version that I don't have to deal with the zipper. I'm happy with my purchase today, and I can't wait to use it. This Palm Springs mini backpack comes with 2 detachable straps. When it's shipped to my house, the 2 straps come into 4 pieces. I just put together 2 and already hooked on the backpack, and one part of the strap is long and another piece is short. So let's put together. It has 2, 4, 6, 7. It has 7 holes on each piece. So let's put together. I'm gonna make the strap as short as I can. I'm gonna connect to the last hole to make the strap the shortest length. This is how it's connected together. So now we're gonna make it into a backpack. This is another way we can wear it. We can attach just one strap to make it a shoulder bag or as a crossbody bag. For my body frame, it feels okay. It doesn't look really comfortable because it's too short. If we attach the strap to the bottom D-ring, then it's more comfortable. If you want more secure, if you have to travel in the city and walk around a lot, if you want the backpack in the front for easier access, then you can wear it this way. Yeah. Or you just put it in the back like that. Yeah. So it's very stylish. So there are a few different ways to wear this bag because I saw on YouTube that how people wear. I think people prefer to carry this bag as a crossbody bag, and for me I think so too. For me right now, I think this is the most secure, easiest access, and most comfortable. I think I like this way. Mini Palm Springs, very cute. These are all my essentials. So let's see how these fit into the backpack. The Palm Spring mini backpack. My mini pochette. My 6 key holder. My key pouch. My phone. And my sunglasses. So they fit perfectly. Let's see how it fits in here from screen. Yeah, I don't want to overstuff this backpack since the opening is just half size. It's not easy to dig into it to get, you know, everything that you want from the bottom. And my phones, I want to get in and out all the time. I want to put my phone on the outer side so I can take it out easier. My sunglasses, I want to put on the top. I don't want it broken. And this is the 6 key holder. This is key pouch. And this is the mini pochette. Yeah, so it fits in perfectly. These are all the essentials for everyday use. Even if you want the water bottle in here, I think it fits too. I didn't try to put it in yet, but I think it should fit. This Palm Springs mini backpack is super adorable. But at first, I didn't know if I really want to keep it because of the strap. It is super long on my body frame. If I connect it all 4 pieces together to make 2 straps, but I found out a way to make it short and help the back looking better on my body frame. Let me show you. Instead of connected the 2 pieces together for 1 strap, we just leave out the smaller piece and just use the 1 long strap only. It's a little tricky to put in here. You have to kind of twist a little bit. Try to push the straps through. And you see, then you can connect it as short or as long as you want. Here it is. That's how you get shorter strap, and it will look better. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell below to get notified every time I upload the new video, which will be every week. Have a fabulous day and a beautiful life. I see you in my next video. Bye now.